Hello friends, today we will discuss about the unit of charge. In the last lecture we discussed all the things associated with the charges. Now we are going to discuss about the unit of charge. You are very much familiar with the unit of charge, which is Coulomb. SI unit of charge is Coulomb. Being an electron, a charge means we are simply talking about the electron. So a question arises that why the electron is not the unit of the charge, because the electron is so small that cannot be used as a unit of charge. So in respect of that we use Coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of the charge. Some CGS unit of charge is scattering coulomb, and in 1 coulomb there are 3 into 10 to the power 9 scattering coulombs. So this is the relation between the CGS and SI unit of charge. Charge on the electron is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. If it is electron, then it is come with a minus sign, or otherwise a plus sign. Now a question arises in 1 coulomb, how many electrons are over there? So this answer can in turn be found with the principle of quantization of charge. But irrespective of that, I am going to tell you that in 1 coulomb there is a charge which is contained on 625, means 625 into 10 to the power 16 electrons, means when this number of electrons get accumulated, then that charge will in turn in 1 coulomb. So this is all about the unit of charges. Now the next topic, which is very important on the perspective of board exams as a short answer, and we use this topic, means quantization of electric charge. Here you can see that there are two spheres. One is with positive charges and one is with negative charges. And in my previous lecture I have also told that positive shows that there is a deficiency of electron, and negative shows that there is an excess of electrons, means this has gained electron, this has lost electron. As many electrons are lost by this sphere are gained in the same amount by this sphere. So the charge on this sphere is Q is equal to plus NE. E is the N is the integral multiple of E. Similarly, it is minus NE. What is N? Experiment shows that the charge is not continuous, but it is made up of basic charges, means E, 2E, 3E, 4E. We see that the charge on an electron or proton is minimum, being plus E or minus E. Plus E for proton and minus E for electron. So here we conclude that quantization of electric charge tells that charge is not continuous, but it is made up of multiple of minimum charges, that is either plus E or minus E. Suppose that there is a positively charged body, then we can say that it will have charges plus E, plus 2E, plus 3, and so on. And if there is a negatively charged body, then it will have charges minus E, minus 2E, minus 3, and so on. So this shows that the charges are in multiples of electron. Charge on an electron means this theory relates that this is the quantization of charge, and it allows that only certain values of charges are exist in nature. Suppose that somebody is saying that a body has 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Is it right? No, it is wrong, because when you will apply this charge quantization phenomena, means Q equal to NE, and you are given the charge 4.5, and in the table of 1.6 there is no Ne45, and I have told you that charge can exist only in integral multiple of electrons, means E, plus 2E, plus 3. So if you do 16 2 ja means 32, 16 3 ja 42, there is no Ne45, therefore the given value is totally incorrect. So by this phenomena you can check that whether the given value is correct or not, means the integral multiples of 16 only can exist in nature if you are talking about the charges on the body. Now again, if somebody says that a body has plus 1 coulomb charge, what does it mean? It means that it has a deficiency of 625 into 10 to the power 16 electron, as 1 coulomb charge is the charge on these number of electrons. So if somebody is saying that if a body has plus 1 coulomb charge, it has a deficiency of these number of electrons, and in turn if somebody says that it has minus 1 coulomb charge, then in that case it has a efficiencies, and it has an efficiency of these number of electrons. So we have discussed about the quantization of charge, unit of charge. Now in next lecture we will see some more phenomena associated with the charges like field, force, and some much more phenomena. Thank you.